Setting up Git. Welcome to our Git setup tutorial. In this video, we will walk you through installing Git, configuring it, and setting up SSH keys for secure connections. For Windows, go to the Git website, download the installer, and run it. Configuring Git. Next, let's configure Git with your user information. This is important for identifying your commits. Open your terminal and set your username and email with the following commands. Replace your name and your email at example.com with your actual name and email. Setting up SSH keys. Finally, let's set up SSH keys to secure your interactions with remote repositories. SSH keygen TED to 5519. See your email at example.com. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter. cat tilde slash dot ssh slash id underscore ed to 5519.pub. Copy. Paste here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next demo video.